All right, good morning, team. It is paint day. It's a little windy, but I think I'm gonna be okay. This should be a fairly simple process. I'm just gonna go all the way down, paint up, and we should be good. All right, join me for the paint job. look at what we got here. All right, it is looking pretty damn good. Now, here's a couple things. So let's look at this wall back over here. It's still dirty. I'm gonna wash it. Don't worry. You can see it's got a nice cleanliness there. But you see how it's smooth? Like relatively smooth, right? So the base is very smooth. The concrete on it is very smooth. That's shotcrete, and then it's hand troweled. All right, but this might be kind of hard to see in the picture, but let's see. You might be able to see it right here. So right there and right there, you see it's kind of blocky. So what it was they actually put concrete panels here, poured the concrete in it, and that's why that has this, you know, that's why I have a bunch of potholes and stuff. But that's okay. Now, I was originally going to try and fill these up, but I don't want it to spall off and cause issues. So I'm just going to leave the holes for now. I was going to try and fill them with paint, but that's turned out to be a pain in the butt. And there's tons of them. You can see them everywhere. Nevertheless, it looks really good. All right, thanks for joining me on this one, team. See you next time.